Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have the needed access. If a dialog requires admin approval, allow it now. Open the system settings. On Windows, go to Settings. On macOS, open System Preferences. Then navigate to Display or Accessibility. Once done, keep the desktop or the app you want to change visible so you can preview adjustments. Make sure to close unnecessary windows to avoid confusion, and note whether you need global font scaling or just application-specific settings before proceeding to the next step. You now locate the text size or scaling control, typically under Display, Accessibility, or Appearance. Use the slider or choose a percentage value to increase font size. Many systems show a live preview so you can judge legibility. Once you make a change, some apps refresh immediately while others need a restart. If you only need larger text in one program, use that app's font settings or the browser's zoom control instead. Remember why you're changing it: readability, presentation, or accessibility. Adjust until comfortable. Finish by applying the change, and if prompted, sign out or restart to ensure every element updates. Once the system returns, scan common apps to confirm layout integrity and fine-tune if text truncates or UI elements overlap. If the layout breaks, revert to the previous value and try a smaller increment. One key troubleshooting tip: if fonts appear blurry after scaling, update your graphics driver and run clear type or font smoothing tools. This usually fixes rendering artifacts without losing your larger text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.